Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your man George coming at you from the Big Apple, the city that never sleeps. New York City. This place is absolutely insane. But everyone always says the same thing. It's expensive. But what if I told you that you can have an epic, unforgettable day in NYC for less than $50? From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we're about to unlock the city for less than the price of a Hamilton ticket. First things first, gotta fuel up for a day of adventure. And there's no better way to start your NYC journey than with a classic New York bagel. We're hitting up a real deal, hole-in-the-wall deli in Brooklyn, where the bagels are fresh, the coffee is strong, and the vibes are pure New York. All in, this breakfast of champions set me back a measly $5. $5, people, you can't beat that. With a bagel-powered belly, it's time to walk off breakfast in the most iconic park in the world. Central Park. And the best part, it's completely free. Stroll across the Bow Bridge, chill by Bethesda Fountain, soak in the street performers' energy, all without spending a dime. You can't talk about New York without talking about its legendary street food. For lunch, we're diving into a classic NYC showdown, the hot dog versus the pizza slice. First up, a juicy street vendor hot dog for $3, and for another $5, a massive slice of New York-style pizza that transported me straight to pizza heaven. Time for some iconic views. Instead of dropping a small fortune on tourist ferries, I hopped on the Staten Island ferry for a grand total of $2.75. For that price, you get breathtaking views of Lady Liberty, Ellis Island, and the majestic Manhattan skyline. Talk about a budget-friendly way to soak in some serious NYC magic. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the city, I knew exactly where I needed to be. Dumbo, Brooklyn, Dumbo, down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass, is where it's at for breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline. And the best part, it's absolutely free. So, after a day of epic eats, iconic sights, and unforgettable moments, did we actually manage to do it? Did we conquer New York City for under $50? Let's do the math. Bagel breakfast, $5. Central Park free. Hot dog versus pizza showdown, $8. Staten Island ferry, $2.75. Sunset over Manhattan from Dumbo free. Total cost, $15.75. That leaves us with $34.25 to spare. We crushed it. So there you have it, folks. One epic day in New York City, packed with iconic sights, delicious food, and unforgettable moments, all for under $50. Proof that the best things in life and in New York City aren't always about how much money you spend, but about the memories you make. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't experience the magic of New York on a budget.